Want to know how some creators stream to TikTok? This guide will help you change your streaming methods forever. Stick around to see what the secret of streaming will give you. So guys, the first step, which is the easiest step to do, is to make sure you have Stream Elements Live or SE Live, whatever you want to call it, installed on your OBS. And literally all you do is click, if you have Windows or Mac, click down on the download button, and then you want to follow the step. It's done. And also make sure you have OBS installed, which is the most obvious part. So here is my OBS. As you can see, this is what your SE Live will look like with the multi-streaming part of SE Live and the vertical part. So basically what you do, really easy, if you want to stream on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Kick, whatever platform you want, you click the plus, click on the platform you want to stream on, and if it's a custom one that is not shown on here, you just do the URL stream key, you're done. And if you want to stream vertically on YouTube and on TikTok, basically you click on the three dots next to that platform, canvas settings, and then create new canvas. Make sure you name it and then change it to 1080 by 1920 where it says the 1080p vertical, and then click add and you're done. And then if you do YouTube short streaming, once you've done the canvas, all you do, canvas, click on the YouTube or whatever you've named it, and then it should show up with a little phone icon, and then you're done. And then if you've ever added scenes on OBS before, it's basically the same as it is on SE Live. So you'd want to add a new scene, you name it tutorial, add scene, and then there it says tutorial, and then you click on the three dots where you've named your scene, add source, and then literally you just say, let's say put display capture, let's do add an existing. Here you go, that's done, and you just make it how you want it, and then that's the SE Live. So once you've set it up and stuff and you've closed it down, it may come up with a not running properly before it loads up. If you have that, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you what to do to help your OBS run properly. Obviously you can't have any ATEM extensions on here, it'll remove itself, but you'll still have it on. If you don't want to use SE Live, just install it again. So to help analyze why your OBS is crashing before you've even started on your SE Live, all you want to do is go to help, click on upload, click on log files, upload current log file, and then you click on the analyze button. So now here's your analyze log files. It'll show you what's crashed and what you can't do. So it'll come up with, say for example, I don't know, browser issue. You'd click on that or you'd scroll down. So you'll see where it says critical. It'll come up with your problem, and it'll come up with instructions here, for example, and you just literally follow the instructions and it's sorted. And the only time it'll do it again if your SE Live needs updating, so you won't need to do the analyze log files after you've updated it if it needs an update on your SE Live. SE Live is basically just like OBS, normal OBS. It's just it's giving you the chance to stream on multiple platforms. It's like if you've used the multiple streaming plugin for specifically OBS, it's basically like that. It's the simplest SE Live plugin you can use. I've recently started using this just to test it out, and you can go back on my previous streams on my Brooke Taylor 135 channel and you'll see it runs perfectly fine. And that's basically the tutorial. So that's the tutorial. Make sure you don't miss out on any more streaming tips on this channel, and make sure you obviously subscribe now. That maybe have sounded a bit aggressive, but it wasn't supposed to be. So yeah, if you want any more streaming tips, video tips, let me know, comment down below, and I'll make that video and put it on the calendar. And next time I'll be showing you how to make TikToks and shorts without any editing software, so make sure you stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you next time.